Drone shots and time lapses I have captured over my past few visits to the Salt Flats. This is one of the most beautiful places in northern Utah, and it is so unique, and depending on the time of year that you go, changes the entire conditions and mood of your experience. Sometimes you'll have hexagonal type salt patterns, sometimes you'll have mud and salt cracks, and sometimes you'll have reflections that just look like a big mirror. It is truly such a unique place that you should definitely check out if you are in Utah. What is going on, guys? So today Bri and I are headed to Bonneville Salt Flats. Before anyone roasts me in the comments, I'm not a local to Utah. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I apologize if I'm saying that wrong. But plans have been changing nonstop. Bri and I are super tired. It's like day, 36 on the road, day 38 or something like that. So we're beat, we're super tired. We did this trip to escape the snow and winter, but as you guys can see out here, we just can't escape it. So we're headed to the Salt Flats. I've been like 3 or 4 times. It's gonna be Bri's first time, so we're stoked. We're gonna go camp there for the night.
I'm deliriously tired, but this is so cool. We've been on the road for like almost 40 days. I'm beat to shit.
Current dilemma is stay here and sleep in this dirty ass van, or go get a hotel and drive another 2.5 hours. We've already driven like 6 hours today. The reason why I'm referring to this as a dirty ass van, because in the last week-ish, we've been on a lot of dirt roads, kind of adventuring in California. And it seems like there's holes in the van because there's just like dust storms when we're driving. There's like dust in the back. Like I moved the pillows yesterday, I just feel a layer of dirt. So it's not good for our health. Definitely not. Like waking up with dry throats, like just from like ingesting dust, like it's disgusting. So the van is clearly at the end of its day, sadly. So we're at the Bonneville Salt Flats. Beautiful place. I always love coming here, but yeah, the dilemma is what to do next.
iPhone quality.
How was your first experience at the Salt Flats?
Sweet, it's not salty. Just kidding. It's good. They're cool. I like the cars. I think ruin all like the funky little patterns that you see in photos. I didn't see any. I'm cold and exhausted, and I didn't want to venture out too far. But I went out probably like, I don't know how far, like 200 feet. I didn't see any. So this is incredible though. The sky looks sweet and moody, and then there's like these peaks back there. So very cool. You should come to the Bonneville Salt Flats. Our dilemma is like, it looks like sunset's gonna pop off. I have FOMO. I don't want to miss out on any dope sunsets. But
We're
I'm so
dead.
tired.
We're exhausted. It's day 38 in the road, and neither of us want to be doing it at the moment. I look crazy because it's very windy. I'm sorry. All right, press it.
I just look like shit.
If you want a hotel, it's that green button.
Dude, I'm not pressing it. I pressed it. I did this last time. And he was like, you just pressed that? I was like, yeah.
All of the information's filled out. So you press it if you want it. I'm not pressing it.
This is so stupid. Just press it.
It's my points. So if you want a hotel, you're gonna press it.
So, Kevin.
What? You
Kevin gets what he wants.
No. Don't press it for that reason. Why'd you do that?
What?
Why'd you book it?
Because you want it.
You wanted it. What is going on, guys? So it has been a few days since we updated you and since we were at the Salt Flats. So we are currently in Provo, Utah, and we were at the Salt Flats contemplating doing sunset and sunrise, and we were just so exhausted. Like we said, it was either day like 36 or 38 or something on the road. So just to kind of give you a recap and a little bit of an update, we are in Provo, Utah. We've been here for 3 nights. We got a hotel that I booked on credit card points, which was nice. And we joined the Iron Cowboy, and that was super awesome. So Bri and I did like 15 miles, and the following day I did a full marathon with him. If you don't know who that is, you should check it out. Just search on Google, Iron Cowboy, Conquer 100. It's super awesome what he's doing. But right now we are in a park cooking lunch, and we are headed back to Denver. We're gonna do maybe one more thing on our way, but our trip was supposed to end in like a week from now. We're both so exhausted, so tired, and a little bit burnt out. So we are just chilling.
We were actually supposed to be doing like 10, 20-mile hikes in the Sierras this week, but we weren't up to it. So we'll save that for a month from now.
And it was also, so yeah, 10, 20-mile hikes, like a lot of just massive hikes in the Sierras. Another reason for that is it's a little too early in the season. I'm not sure when this is posting, but currently it's May and it's still snowy, it's still pretty gnarly. We would need to have ice axes and crampons and all that good stuff. And we are so excited to get out of the winter and into the summer, so we figured we'll just wait on that.
The salt flats were cool. We didn't really shoot there, I was so tired. But yeah, we've been really going hard on this trip. We've gotten so much work done. My broccoli's gonna burn. But yeah, it's super cool, and I'm glad to be getting home. We'll recoup, and sometimes, you know, you just gotta know when to call it. Otherwise, this lifestyle just is not sustainable. So it's all about balance. I'm excited to see my dog too.
Anyways, so for this trip, it all in all, I think will be like 40-ish days, which is huge nonetheless. By the time we get back, probably like 42 days. So that's a massive road trip. Bri and I are not kind of like the day in, day out full-time van lifers. Like we get hotels once a week or something for work reasons, Wi-Fi reasons, and shower reasons. But yeah, so we're gonna go back to Denver for like 2 weeks, recharge. We have a lot of local stuff planned, so you should be seeing some local Denver and Colorado videos. And then after that, we have a jam-packed July, August, September, and late June, so it's gonna be super busy. Bri went on rec.gov a few months ago, and she was just going crazy ham on booking backpacking permits. So July and August is gonna be a very, very busy backpacking season for us, which is new to us too. We've done some, but kind of, you know, beginner backpackers. So we're super excited for that. So it's gonna be a super busy summer. And with all things considered, after these 2 weeks in Denver, just kind of chilling, we're gonna have so much busyness for many months to come. So we figured it's not that bad of an idea to end this trip a little bit early. So yeah, kind of just wanted to give you an update on that, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little bit of the Salt Flats. It's such a beautiful place. But yeah, we will see you guys on a future video, and thanks for watching and following along.